വെൽക്കം ടു ന്യൂ എപ്പിസോഡ് ഓഫ് ZQ ഓൺലൈൻ ലേണിംഗ് എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എൻ്റെ മൊബൈൽ ഫോൺ എവിടെയാണ്, അത് ടേബിളിന് മുകളിലാണ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെയറിന് മുകളിലാണ്, അത് സോഫ സെറ്റിന് മുകളിലാണ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്താണ് എന്ന് പറയാൻ നമ്മൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് പറയുക, അത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചോദിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് വാച്ച് ദ വീഡിയോ. വാച്ച് ആൻഡ് ലിസൺ. Where is my mobile phone?
It's on the table.
It's on the table. Where is my mobile phone?
It's on the table.
Yeah, it's on the table. Where is my mobile phone?
It's on the table.
Yeah, it's on the table. Where is my mobile phone? It's on the table. It's on the table. Where is my mobile phone? You say, where is my mobile phone? Yeah, it's on the table. Now you ask me? Yes, it's on the table. See? Wow, mashallah, wonderful.
Watch and listen. Where's my mobile phone?
It's on the chair.
Where's my mobile phone?
It's on the chair.
Where's my mobile phone?
It's on the chair.
It's on the chair. It's on the chair. Where's my mobile phone? Great. MashaAllah. You ask me? It's on the chair. Wow. Great. Well done.
Watch and listen. Where's the Marcus calendar?
It's on the wall.
Where is the Marcus calendar?
It's on the wall.
Where is the Marcus calendar?
It's on the wall.
Now you say, where is the Marcus calendar? It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Now you ask me, where is the Marcus calendar? Yes, it's on the wall. Good. Watch and listen. Okay? Where is the bag?
It's on the bed.
Where is the bag?
It's on the bed.
Where is the bag?
It's on the bed.
It's on the bed. On the bed. You say, where is the bag? Good. Ask me. It's on the bed. Where is my umbrella?
It's on the floor.
It's on the floor. Where is my umbrella?
It's on the floor.
It's on the floor. Where is my umbrella?
It's on the floor.
Now you say, where is my umbrella? Wow. You ask me? It's on the floor. Good. Watch and listen. Where's my chocolate?
It's on the teapot.
Where is my chocolate?
It's on the teapot.
Where is my chocolate?
It's on the teapot.
It's on the teapot. It's on the teapot. Now you say, where is my chocolate? Good. Ask me. It's on the teapot. Good. Hey kids, watch and listen. Ready? Where is the rat? The rat is on the table. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where is the cap? The cap is on the table. Where is the bag? The bag is on the table. Where is the dog? The dog is on the table. Where is the ball? The ball is on the table. Okay?
Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit on the table. Where is the dog? The dog is on the table. Where is the hat? The hat is on the table. Where is the bag? The bag is on the table. Where is the chair? The chair is on the table. Where is the helmet? The helmet is on the table. Where is the jug? The jug is on the table.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go bling, 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 bling. The signals on the bus go bling, 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 all through the town. The horns on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the bus go beep, 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 all through the town.